మూడో రోజు లోక్సభను స్తంభింపజేశాయి విపక్షాలు. లోక్సభ ప్రారంభమైన కొద్దిసేపటికే విపక్ష సభ్యుల ఆందోళనతో సభ వాయిదా పడింది. లలిత్ మోడీ వ్యాపం కుంభకోణంపై చర్చను కోరుతూ విపక్ష సభ్యుల నల్ల బ్యాడ్జీ ధరించి ప్లకార్డులు ప్రదర్శిస్తూ ఆందోళనకు దిగాయి. ప్లకార్డులు ప్రదర్శించవద్దని స్పీకర్ కోరినా విపక్షాలు పట్టించుకోలేదు. ఈ సమయంలో బీజేపీ ఎంపీలు కోల్ స్కామ్ను లేవనెత్తడంతో వివాదం రేగింది. దీంతో అధికార విపక్షాల మధ్య వాగ్వాదం కొనసాగింది. సభలో గందరగోళ పరిస్థితి ఏర్పడింది. పరిస్థితి అంతకీ అదుపులోకి రాకపోవడంతో లోక్సభను 12 గంటల వరకు వాయిదా వేశారు స్పీకర్.
इसलिए मेरा प्रिविलेज मोशन एक्सेप्ट किया जाए और मुझे बोलने का अवसर दिया।
I will stand adjourned to meet again at 12 o'clock.
వాయిదా అనంతరం లోక్సభ తిరిగి ప్రారంభమైంది. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Madam, I beg to lay on the table of 265, 266 and 267 reports of Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forest listed against my name at serial number 5 in today's order paper. Thank you.
Madam, I rise to present the 20th report of the Business Advisory Committee.
Item number 6, Dr. Murli Manoj.
संचालन नियम के नियम 331 के उपनियम 1 के साथ गठित नियम 254 के उपनियम 3 द्वारा अपेक्षित रीति से श्री दिलीप सिंह भोलिया के निधन के परिणाम स्वरूप उनके स्थान पर प्राचीन समिति के कार्यकाल की शेष अवधि के लिए
The question is, the motion moved by Shri Joshi ji be adopted. Those in favor may say aye, those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. Item number 7, Shri Rajesh Goyal ji. Item number 7, Rajesh Goyal ji.
Madam, I beg to move that the members of this House do proceed to elect in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of the single transferable vote 20 members from amongst themselves to serve as members of the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes for the term of 1 year, beginning from the date of first sitting of the committee.
The question is that motion moved by Shri Rajesh Goyal ji be adopted. Those in favor may say aye, those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. Shri Rajesh Goyal ji.
Madam, I beg to move that this House do recommend to Rajya Sabha that Rajya Sabha do agree to elect 10 members from amongst the members of the Rajya Sabha to associate with the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes for the term of 1 year, beginning from the date of the first sitting of the committee, and to communicate to this House the names of members so elected to the committee.
Rajesh Goyal ji be adopted. Those in favor may say aye, those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. Item number 9, Shri Arun Jaitley ji.
I rise to move that this House concurs in the recommendation of the Rajya Sabha that the Lok Sabha do agree to being granted to the Rajya Sabha to withdraw the bill further to amend the Negotiable Instrument Act 1888, which was passed by the Lok Sabha on 13th May 2015 and laid on the table of the Rajya Sabha on the same day.
The question is that the motion moved by Shri Arun Jaitley ji be adopted. Those in favor may say aye, those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. Item number 10, Sadananda Gowda ji.
I beg to move Madam, I beg to move for leave to withdraw a bill to repeal certain enactments and to amend certain other enactments.
The question is that the leave be granted to withdraw the bill. Those in favor में से aye, those against में से no. I think the ayes have it, the leave is granted. The minister may now withdraw the bill.
Madam, I withdraw the bill. Madam, I withdraw the bill.
He has posted a comment in the Facebook. Robert Vadra has said Parliament begins and so their petty diversion of political taxes. People of India are not fooled. Regret to this India led by such called leaders. Probably he has commented on their party, madam. Madam, Robert Vadra has belittled not only individual members, madam, individual parliament members, madam. He has belittled the total image of the parliament, madam. He has attacked the parliament, madam. By that image of the parliament in the entire world, it has been reduced by Robert Vadra. It shows that as like Congress party, his mother-in-law party, he has shown disrespect to the democracy and also to the Congress. जैसे emergency इन्होंने लाया, वैसा ही उन्होंने democracy के ऊपर अटैक किया. They do not have trust and confidence in democracy. That's why privilege motion should be adopted and he should be Robert Vadra should be punished, madam. Robert Vadra should be immediately called before us and reprimanded, madam. Robert Vadra has totally disrespected the entire parliament and democratic system, madam. He should immediately called before this parliament and he should be punished, madam. He should be reprimanded, madam. Robert Vadra should be definitely punished. This is the best case, madam. Thank you, madam.
प्लीज हो गया. प्लीज अगर मेरा आपसे निवेदन है केवल 2 मिनट. प्लीज 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 प्लीज. हाँ वही तो बोल रही हूँ मैं. प्लीज वही खड़े खड़े सुनो. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू गो टू योर सीट. प्लीज 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 प्लीज. यस आई नो. दैट इज वाई आई एम स्टैंडिंग. मैं उसी के लिए खड़ी हूँ. यस यस यस. प्लीज प्लीज मेरा प्लीज 2 मिनट. यस उनको भी बोलूंगी तो उनको डांटने का तो मौका दो. यस प्लीज प्लीज 2 मिनट का समय तो दो मुझे. वही तो बोलूं ना. यस उनको तो बोलूं. वो भी ठीक नहीं है. यस प्लीज आप सबसे निवेदन है मेरा. एक आप सबसे निवेदन है. प्लीज प्लीज. यस यस मुझे मालूम है मैं सब बोल रही हूँ. आई एम सॉरी. आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल ऑफ यू. मैं आप सभी में यहाँ के भी लोग आ गए, यहाँ पे भी लोग आएंगे सभी. मैं आप सभी से निवेदन है मेरा. कुछ लोग हैं यहाँ पे जो अपनी बात रखना चाहते हैं. प्लीज आप प्लीज सुनिए. प्लीज मेरा एक निवेदन है. कोई भी नहीं दिखाए. ना आप दिखाएंगे ना वो दिखाएंगे. कोई भी प्ले कार्ड कृपा करके नहीं दिखाएगा. वो कर रहे हैं इसलिए हम कर रहे हैं. दिस इज नॉट बेटर. एक बात ध्यान में रखो. अगर आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू रन, इट्स ओके, आई विल एडजर्न इट। अगर आपकी इच्छा है कि कोई भी चर्चा नहीं हो तो मैं इसको एडजर्न करूंगी। मेरा निवेदन है एक बार फिर, इस पर एक मिनट प्लीज प्लीज ये दिस इज नॉट प्रॉपर, प्लीज प्लीज, नो प्ले कार्ड, अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग, नो प्ले कार्ड प्लीज, नो प्ले कार्ड प्लीज, वो भी नहीं लिखा है, nobody, nobody, no please, no please, no please, please, don't, no play cards please, this is not proper, नियम तो आपके बनाए हैं, नियम मेरे बनाए नहीं है, नियम आप सबने बनाए हैं। वो तो बैठ गए, आप भी बैठ जाओ, आई एम सॉरी। Who is not allowed? Please, play card नहीं ले, please, nobody should. अगर आपको नहीं सुनना है, अगर आपको बातचीत नहीं करना, अगर आपको चर्चा नहीं करना, आप नहीं चाहते तो इट्स ओके, द हाउस स्टैंड्स adjourned to meet again tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
వాయిదా తర్వాత తిరిగి ప్రారంభమైన తర్వాత కూడా లోక్సభలో అదే పరిస్థితి, విపక్షాల ఆందోళన కొనసాగుతూనే ఉంది. ఆందోళన మధ్య ప్రశ్నోత్తరాలు ప్రారంభించారు స్పీకర్, కానీ ముందుకు జరిగే పరిస్థితి లేక సభను రేపటికి వాయిదా వేశారు. మధ్యలో ఎటువంటి ప్లే కార్డులు అధికార పక్షం కానీ విపక్షాలు కానీ ప్రదర్శించవద్దని ఆమె నించుని విజ్ఞప్తి చేసిన పరిస్థితిలో మార్పు రాకపోవడంతో లోక్సభను రేపటి